And the first guest actually cancelled Anam. We were underneath his apartment. I was a child actor by mistake. There was a point, there's an email exchange between Anam and I where I'm pitching myself as a photographer to you.
Really?
Yes.
I have to find this.
I dated one of your juniors from school. The world was like, how can this happen? The first time digital is making more noise than TV, Meta went berserk.
Does sometimes imposter syndrome kick in
Fully,
for you
yeah.
also? It's not that I'm actively comparing myself, but it's that little subconscious thing.
There is a lot of pressure to keep it entertaining because let's be honest, there's 100 podcasts out there.
Attention is money in this economy.
She answered back with a rhetoric saying, oh, but what do you mean? Why are you asking me that? I can't say you're being impolite.
Can you not have a stance?
I've never tried Anam. I should. Attention deficit economy में जीते हैं भाई हम. लोगों को नहीं देखना content. लोगों को scrutiny higher है. The amount of negative comments I get today is the highest that I've ever gotten.
Men can be allies? Can they fully ever be feminists?
No वजह ना, no opinion, चुप बैठो. Anam, I will not lie to you. 10 years ago, I have been that dude who's pointed at my best friend's bra strap and
No, and the percentage of women that have been physically touched without consent, even if it's a graze, is ridiculous.
they grabbed you by your balls and felt them lovingly and left. I am our Bolly blood and gossip, I can say. I'm not. I'm not even kidding. Like, I can fill that whole page up. My boss.
Hi, and welcome to this episode of The Real Deal with me, Anumsi. This episode is honestly just a really fun one. Siddharth and I have had a conversation about the good old times before everything went absolutely crazy and boomed on the internet. We've talked about how much money he makes, how much money he pays his employees. We've talked about where he got to where he is, his real Bombay journey. And we've discussed a whole lot of things about how he really truly, or is he, a male feminist. This conversation has so many layers, you are not going to want to miss it. Let's get started. Welcome to my podcast, Siddharth.
Hi, Anam. Thank you.
So sweet. I love that you did that.
Yeah, I was feeling cute.
Listen, your job is one of the most fascinating ones. I'll tell you why. Why it's so fascinating to me. Because growing up, 90s kids, we saw like VJs and anchors doing these cute things with like interviewing celebrities, traveling, getting the opportunity to test out new cars. And I feel like that was the more traditional sense of it. And now you're doing it, but on YouTube. Was that ever a comparison when you started out? कि TV पे ये देखा था बचपन में, and now I'm actually doing the new millennial version of that on digital media.
Yaar, before we start into this, like somebody has to recognize the real deal that you've been like, you know, you were what, when, where. For us, www meant World Wide Web and what, when, where.
Oh man, you're being
so
very
in college,
kind.
there was OGs like Anam Chashmawala who were already blogging.
Oh God.
So let's get that out of the way so that I can finish my fanboy to Anam first.
You were
because
very kind.
we didn't know this was a scope of work. This was where we could head until we saw peers do it. For me, I'll be very genuine. P. Bhaiya, let's call him, one of our cousins, would visit often. He was doing some kind of sales gigs in Hyderabad. So he'd keep visiting Hyderabad where I grew up. And वो आके ये बोलते थे यार बच्चे को मैगजीन इतनी मत पढ़ाओ. You know, मैगजीन से ना उसकी दुनिया खराब हो रही है.
Oh.
And I would find all of these. I would read them page to page.
Even the
Editorial-
feminists?
Even the feminists. That's probably why I'm the male feminist. Whenever they were not indulging in all of this, I was indulging. Like they'd go to sleep, they'd find me in the hall in the midst of magazines and they'd be really angry. They'd be so confused कि यार हमको लगा लड़का गेमिंग करेगा, लड़का पिक्चरें देखेगा जो भी मैं देखता था. But ये तो इधर बैठ के मैगजीन पढ़ रहा है. Because that is what evolved into becoming this human.
Yeah.
But yes, like how can you forget watching all the auditions for roadies? When I meet Ranvijay and he hosts the Dubai journey, by the way, now. So I do the Bombay journey, Ranvijay does the Dubai journey.
Oh wow, I did
So
not
it's,
know
it's
that.
beautiful. So like I go to him and I'm like, Arvi, bro, तुम जो करते थे वो हम देख के ये कर रहे हैं शायद अभी.
Yeah.
So your OG, like your next level boss.
Yeah, we grew up watching like RJ, VJ, Ramona, Gaurav, literally like you said, Ranvijay. I feel like VJ Anusha was like the coolest babe
Anusha
on
was so
television.
Cool. Yeah.
So like we've grown up watching that, but I think what you're doing today is literally a version of that.
100%.
Like, see, for me, when it comes to content, it's always been beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, whatever from my take. But sitting down with people is a relatively newer format for me. And I feel like you have really killed it in that space.
That's right.
So I really wanted to understand what your psyche was like when you were going into that direction. And I understand that because you're also, in a way, a first generation creator for that landscape, it's very interesting because so many things happened to us accidentally. So, what
Yeah.
was that little accidental process like? Because you were also behind the lens. We've shot
Yeah.
together in your iDiva days.
Yeah.
We've run a campaign together for one of
Yeah.
the brands. And I just want to understand what it was like going from Piche to Aage, because there are so many people who might watch this video and think that ये बंदा यहाँ पे कैसे पहुंचा? I want to know.
Yeah. Quick backstory. Incidentally, it's my
Doesn't
20th.
have to be quick.
Yeah, okay. It can be relaxed, right? Why? Thanks,
They're
Anand.
not driving in traffic.
Yes, perfect. So, yeah, nobody knows that I have a cinema tattoo.
Okay.
Like it's right here. It says cinema in Hindi. Okay. This is my 25th year in the industry. I was a child actor by mistake. मेरे चाचा audition देने गए थे. Satish Sharma, hi kaka. He went for an audition. He didn't get the part because they were done casting principal cast. They were to do the secondary, which is the kids of the family. This is Shyam Benegal's Hari Bhari, 2-time National Award winning film. I'm playing Nandita Das's and Rajat Kapoor's son. और मैं तब यार resume और pause बोलता था. I didn't even know how to say resume in terms of resume the take or pause. Like, I was so like...
But you were a kid.
I was a little child. I was 6. So I then did like a bunch of stuff, 3 films, 5 serials, a bunch of ads. And then I moved on to doing your typical IITs. I gave all the tests. But this spark and Kida of doing something with the creative world remained. So when I came into Bombay to do mass media, which is how I know
Wilson,
Anam.
right?
Yeah, I was in Wilson. You were in MMK.
Yes.
We had common friends, Sohail, Saqib, Mithila was my batch. Like we have so many famous people today. So I was doing photography. I started as a photographer. That's how there was a point. There's an email exchange between Anam and I where I'm pitching myself as a photographer to you.
Really?
Yes.
I have to find this.
Yeah, you'll have to. It's mad. It's like we're negotiating, and I'm like, I can't do this in this much.
Wow.
Like, what if it's this and this, and we'll do more and all of that.
My own research on this episode sucks because I have no memory of this whatsoever.
Yeah, so I dated one of your juniors from school.
I need the tea on this. Who is this? What is happening?
It's crazy.
I was asking about your journey, but you're throwing flashbacks at me. I love it. Okay.
Yeah, like it's mental. It's mental. So
much to discuss after we talk.
Yeah, after.
Mm-hmm.
Any of my batchmates, classmates watching this, do not come in the comment section.
Or come. We love engagement.
Or come. I don't know. So in essence, photography के बाद मैंने थोड़ा बहुत DP करना चालू कर दिया because I was like, I have the ability to film on my camera. So my journey starts off in a Bijoy Nambiar film, David, from behind the scenes, actually doing stuff. He just made Shaitan. So we were like, all kids were like, oh my God, bro. Khoya chance, slow motion. Nikhil Chanappa is doing dish kya and like glasses shattering. So it was really inspiring. Cut to I did a indie, जो कभी आई नहीं, film, जो बहुत होता है. Then I did something else. Like, you keep stumbling and falling.
Yeah. You take the opportunities you can get, which is also a very important trait of a hustler in the media landscape.
That's so true.
Yeah.
Like I was doing short films every year for Mami. From 2010 to 2015, we kept submitting. Then 2013, I started DPing exclusively. Like I'm full scale shooting. Like I knew lighting because I'd learned some amount of gaffing in New York Film Academy. I went for a small 8-week course.
Okay.
And
this was after graduating?
So I realized, यार BMM में से ना 600 लोग हम सब निकल रहे हैं. And ये 600 लोग सब में से AD तो नहीं बनेंगे, 300 बनेंगे शायद, या 300 मीडिया वाली, फिल्म वाली लाइन में आएंगे.
You think it's that higher ratio, 50%?
So then somebody asked me this question. So I was like, नहीं 50 नहीं तो 10 तो चल कर पकड़ लेते हैं.
10.
So if 30 people are also going for the same job with my exact same qualifications, and this is not even counting like the other schools, I'm just counting the top 10, 20 schools. So then I was like, Naifa कर लेते हैं. Touchwood privileged enough to get like some amount of this thing.
Access.
So I was really happy. I come back, I start doing anything and everything. So I started ADing. Then in 2015 is when I made the switch to the corporate side of things. That same year, I had 3 films in Mami. One was called Vada Pav Inc. It's the story of the Vada Pav. It was invented like 60 years ago types. Then the second one is my brother, my cousin, Yashovardhan Mishra, who just won the National Award for Katal.
Wow.
His film called Tootta Judta Aadmi. Malwani ek number mein na, there was a huge case that had happened. Like a lot of people had this fake alcohol and blisters in their feet and, destroyed lives. And he made a very like dark, very real film Kunal Kamra was nice enough to put it up on his YouTube, so it's still there for everyone to watch. And another film, I don't know if it was Srishti Jain's film or if it was Shreya Shinde's film or Tabu Karya's film. These three were my directors. All I had worked on 5 projects. अलग सब पे काम करूंगा मैं. एक
And सब मामी गई.
सब मामी में भेज दिया, 3 सिलेक्ट हो गई.
Okay.
And we were like, wow, ये तो भाई तुक्का लग गया बहुत जोर का. And I think the media director at Reliance saw it, who was happening to shift gears to be the new editor-in-chief at First Post and a bunch of other channels at Network 18. And my then co-founder at Storytellers was quitting because he wasn't okay with that gig at Network 18 or First Post. And he said, "Tu karega kya?" So I took over. One random hustler, and Renil Ibrahim, kudos to you, boss. That boy walks in. Like, corporates don't allow you. You have to go through the channels. You go to email. You email HR. You email the concerned party. They need to have an opening. None of that existed. He walked in. He kept coming back, maybe once or twice. And maybe I've got the story wrong. Renil, if you're watching this, correct it. He said, "I'm going to go only after taking up a job."
Wow.
It was a Friday evening. We had the Tata Marathon on the weekend. And none of us producers were okay going. We were like, none of us are runners. We'll get accredited in time and all of that is great. But social team nahi tha tabhi. Like the giant like First Post didn't have a social team. He said, if you're not going to get me to be an anchor, I will do the social media gig. So we said, okay, we'll test you on the weekend. Are you available? He said, yes. He said, can you shoot and edit? He said, yes. He said, "Theek hai, ja." Then he comes back with a decent half-baked edit. We corrected, we put it up. It does fairly well. We said, chal, theek hai, come off. He started doing social, but the boy wanted to become an anchor. Or I'm so sorry for your pronouns being misplaced over here, Renil. At that point, you did go with the ones I'm using right now. And this person is so dedicated, absolute mad, absolute like crazy person. Within 3 months of him existing, we start the First Post show. And our first guest is Sunny Leone. After one point, we didn't like the amount of sexuality conversation he brought onto the table. So some editors had some bits like, "Tu edit kar le bhai tera." So like, "Theek hai, sikha de."
So he edited also.
Then we taught him editing. Then he started editing.
So he's like full-fledged creator in that.
He became full creator that time. This is 2016. Facebook is just telling us to pivot to video.
Yeah.
And we are doing Periscope.
Pre-reels, pre-TikTok, pre-everything.
Yeah. Matlab like, even Facebook didn't tell you to put up 3
Instagram had
minutes.
just come up with the little videos even on this in 2016. I remember.
They could have, yeah.
Yeah, because I got engaged in 2016. That is somehow the landmark I'm referring to. But okay. So I remember it like that. There were no videos. They had rolled it out second half maybe.
So that then. So we were like, bhai, Periscope karo, live karo. Twitter ne Periscope kharid liya.
Forgot Periscope existed.
Periscope used to existed, yeah. For that small duration in which we went mental about it. And then the First Post show took off. It went viral because the same publication had done an interview with Sunny Leone, which was really not in the right space.
Okay.
And the same company does a digital first interview with Sunny Leone and it goes berserk because it's so warm. It's still got the fun vibe with her and it's perfect. So the world was like, how can this happen? The first time digital is making more noise than TV, or at least we thought we were making a lot of noise. Except in 2017, we'd used live so well, like Facebook Live so well. We'd done a multi-camera, multi-city, multi-nationality live during the US elections. And at the same day or the night, current Sri Prime Minister had demonetized and we were also covering that. Meta went berserk. Meta was like, boss, what is this? They put us in Global Case Study 2017.
Oh, wow.
For the best use of live ever. Like I have goosebumps. We were the first to do a 360-degree live. Bahubali 2 के release के time पे we realized the visual is प्रभास के बहुत बड़े कटआउट पे दूध डल रहा है, यहाँ पर पटाखा फट रहा है, वहां पर टिकट के लिए लड़ाई हो रही है, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे crowds आ रहे हैं.
And you managed to capture
this is 360.
Everything.
Yeah. We one camera. We are live streaming. You can see me laptop ke saath doing live stream and all of that.
So I want to understand, when you're saying that all of these things are happening, it's also that you are behind all of these movements.
Yeah.
Or if as a platform, First Post is doing its first 360 Facebook Live circa 2016, 2017, you're also the person responsible for not just ideating, strategizing, but you're also clearly literally executing.
Yeah.
So can you take a moment to just give yourself some credit also over here?
Thank you so much.
Because I think that what happens as someone who is, and I'm relating a certain amount of it to me, of course, in a completely different context, that when so many things happen, but you also happen to be a hustler who says yes to a lot of things, you forget that opportunities are happening to you, but you are also happening to the opportunities. They're happening because you're saying yes and yes and yes. It's that say yes attitude that's bringing you somewhere.
So
After that, what happened?
thank you for recognizing that, because it's so strange, right? We don't attribute ourselves the credit that we could deserve in being at that time and being the orchestrator or the conductor of all of this.
Is it if I can go a step deeper a little bit over here, does sometimes imposter syndrome kick in for
Fully,
you
yeah.
also? Yeah. Okay,
Fully, yeah.
I feel seen.
Boss, I've not uploaded those 38 reels I've made and kept ready.
Yeah.
Ever.
Because you're like, what? What is the...
They aren't good enough. Or they aren't adept to today. Or do I trial reel them first?
Not good enough for today, you're comparing, because when we started, so much wasn't there.
Yeah.
So also simpler times had its beauty. But now that there is this influencer boom, creator boom, whatever you want to call it, are you coming from a place of like then comparing what others are doing versus, oh, this is not good enough for me, or this is not good enough compared to what others are putting out? What is the filter?
I cannot tell you enough number of times that I perpetuate the idea of never, ever compare yourself to another creator, influencer, artist, because let's be honest, they're all on their own journeys. You're on your own journey. वो वैसा कर रहा है, वो फट गया तो मैं भी करता हूँ. भाई वो ऑलरेडी कर रहा है ना, उसको कोई देख रहा है ना.
नहीं, पर देखो ये बोलना एक चीज होती है,
हम नहीं करते.
एक्चुअली करना एक चीज. बिकॉज देखो मैं भी बोलती हूँ और मैं सबको बोलती हूँ, मैं खुद को भी बोलती हूँ, मत कंपेयर कराना, मत कंपेयर. समवेयर इन माय लोएस्ट मोमेंट्स और इन दैट वन डार्क, you know, that one dark intrusive thought will be like, you had that idea and you did not execute it, and look, they've done it now. If you would have done it first, it would have been your reel that would have gone viral. And I find myself having this thought maybe once every fortnight. I'll be very honest. It's not that I'm actively comparing myself, but it's that little subconscious thing where, because short form is not as easy to me as long form. So like, where's the disconnect? Is it because it's an old piece of content that you don't relate to it anymore, or are you comparing it with what others are posting? That's why I'm like trying to get into the psychology of it.
So, brilliant question. I'll tell you why. Because for me, the part that I know from behind the camera days, the strategy bit, the calendar bit, if I do 5 things all together, then the SEO will spike and then Google Devta will take over. The realization of knowing that much, like only yesterday, were my best friend and I sitting on Sunday, were we thinking कि यार अगर इतना पता नहीं होता ना, तो अभी तक कूद के अपना कर चुके होते कुछ. क्योंकि इतना पता है, प्रॉब्लम है.
यार max relate.
So the issue is कि will this be good enough is because there is also your own success parameter.
But then what is stopping you from kudofying?
Yeah, the 1 million, 5 million views that we've achieved once upon a time, or the 100 million, whatever total reach. Or yeah, last month Mashable was at 137.1 million on YouTube alone. I'm like, bro, what's up? Like, क्या चल रहा है? क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Dream team. Like, so when you see those numbers and when you see trial reels पे 800 view, you're like, भाई तू सेम आदमी है. क्या हो रहा है? क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? But ये सच है.
But are you comparing trial reel from personal profile?
No. I'm not. I'm just trying to see ki, is this why? Like, I'm spitballing with you, thinking ki, is this possibly why? Am I thinking ki people now only know me in the car, so they won't be able to understand me sitting on a sofa?
No. How you got here?
2017, we become meta case study. I start giving lectures to like these small 25 people seaters CMO meetups that would happen thanks to IMAI, the Internet and Mobile Association of India. And kudos to folks like Azim Lalani or Baby Rao, who just said, you, producer, go. Pitch what you've been doing at First Post to the world and tell them what you think. And I'm there thinking, what these serious conferences, they're starting with one PPT. I want to make CMOs dance and sing and cheer. So I tell the hotel staff, can you make sure there's like these 2-3 things available on the table? I start making them like sing aloud. So, and I was dancing and I'm singing along, and they're then very keenly listening to my idea because the 10 presentations before me were like PPT after PPT.
Yeah.
So the CRO of Times Internet Limited who's presenting after me is like, bro, what was that? How do I take over from that?
Oops.
And I'm like, boss, मैं एक small सी pistol fire करके गया हूँ, आप तोप आए हो, ठीक है? हम तो मतलब एक छोटा प्लेटफॉर्म है, आप टाइम्स हो, आप करो ना अपना. कट टू चाय ब्रेक पे बोलते हैं जॉब चाहिए क्या, एंड हम लाइक मेरे बिजनेस हेड वहीं खड़े हैं भाई, अब मेरे को यहाँ जॉब दे रहे हो. कट टू 8 months later I took the job.
Oh
But I
damn.
asked the business head मैं कितना मांगू, he said एक काम कर इतना मांग, and I asked for it, yeah, and मिल गया मेरे को.
Wait, your business had encouraged you to move on to this, like helped you or like kind of guided you in a way.
Yeah, by then we'd built First Post Show to wherever it would go. We'd started something called the social media something. We'd do what's trending with the social girls, one of whom I'm married to now. You know, it's just absurd. So, like you said, we were open to any and every format, and we do hardcore journalism. So then, like, I was thinking ki, looking at times, we were doing strategies saying you do face first communication and you do IP first communication. So I would do the branded spiel of things and strat spiel of things, and like a lot of content which is paid and building that out. Like, I remember taking it from whatever X amount to 5X amount of billing, 110% growth. Like, you know, offsites are buzzing with our applause because we have just killed it. And I'd not even gotten in to do IDEVA Men's XP.
Wait, which ones were you on at this point?
I was at TOI ET right now.
Okay.
I had gone into revamp Spotlight.
Okay.
So if you open your ET today,
Mhm.
Economic Times, and you go to the bottom right corner, you will see something called Spotlight.
Okay.
Anytime there's a branded content article. You know, it used to be the long form piece with a nice coy photo, and Spotlight had begun then until it had become like a subdued piece within the ecosystem. It's a huge 3 months. The CEO, currently the CEO of First Post, so strange. Angad Bhatia had realized that these boys and the girl are more creative in terms of the lifestyle element. They are not the hardcore TUI ET wale log. So he asked the CRO, who then poached me during that conference, saying, I want him. I said, sir, मैं अकेला नहीं आता, मैं 5 लोग के साथ आता हूँ. I am only as good as my Jay Jona, my dream team, my like core people, Amit Singh. These guys like are my OGs. So I said, sir, कि हम पांचों आएंगे. आपके पास बजट है तो आप इंटरनल मूवमेंट करवा लीजिए. उन्होंने कुछ फिगर आउट करके कर दिया हमको मूव, और फिर हम IDEVA Men's XP India Times WhatsApp एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे थे.
Wow.
And we were doing a fairly decent job because I remember, and this is absolute credits to Rishita Das, who was 2018 Meta case study. So we were 2017 Meta case study. We were 2018. Meta ended up hiring both of these people who led us.
Oh, wait, is
Yeah.
this the Ishta Das who is head of creator partnerships at YouTube?
Yes,
Oh, I'm just realizing. Okay.
same human being.
Oh my God.
She's what the heck, right? 2017 case study, 2018 case study, just by experimenting, throwing darts at the wall, and some hit bullseye.
But that is another good
That is
sign of a
social
hustler.
strategy for you.
No, also good sign of a hustler to just experiment in no matter what the field is.
Okay, thanks again. But
yeah.
like,
Give yourself credit.
yes, thanks. No,
By the end of
2016.
this episode,
I will
you
say,
will go home and say this like over and over.
Apunish Bhagwan hai.
Oh.
That's the
like
spectrum you don't want to get to. No, so 2016, to answer your question, is when the Bombay journey ka thought was कि हम Shark Tank India को
Where
गाड़ी
were
में
you at
करते
this time? Pura
First post,
context.
first post.
Okay.
So we were like कि भाई,
Idea वो time से चल रहा
तो
था.
यार क्या होता है ना, लोगों को लगता है कि ब्रांड्स वेट कर रही है. आपका एक आइडिया है कैडबरी का, लेट से, जो चॉकलेट बनाते हैं, और आपको लगता है कि कैडबरी आज भी वो करना चाह रहा है जो आप सोच रहे हो उनको करना चाहिए, या मेरे शो में ये है तो ये स्पॉन्सर आ जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
अगर आपको अपने कंटेंट पे स्पॉन्सर चाहिए तो आपको उनका करंट कैंपेन देखना है. आपको
Yeah.
देखना है वो करंटली स्पेंड किधर कर रहे हैं. आपको
Yeah.
देखना है उनकी एजेंसी कौन है. आपको देखना है उनका PR कौन हैंडल करता है, उनका मेन लाइन BTL ATL कौन हैंडल करता है. इतना बेसिक्स आप समझ लो, GPT से करवा लो चाहिए तो. So we were basically doing branded content and decent enough branded content that somebody said, come present to all of us during a brew. It was a brew. Let's say this is an HUL or a PNG or a ITC. They're huge brands with so many brands within their parent
Portfolios,
brand,
yeah.
that you pitch for one of them. और तुम्हारा आइडिया अगर सिलेक्ट हो जाता है तो तुम आके बताओ. So we were presenting right before Tanmay Bhatt. Again one of those where कि मैं छोटी सी एक पिस्टल चला रहा हूँ, उसका मेरा तोप आ रहा है एक आदमी. And we presented and we killed it. And Tanmay was like acing AIB that point in time, and he didn't even have time for us or whatever. But we were pitching an idea, and we have a mock video for this, where we're like, what if an entrepreneur sits at Parel, a new age startup boy gets on at right before the bridge. There's huge traffic, pee pee papu. He has 20 minutes to pitch his idea before the guy gets to Lower Parel. And that's Shark Tank India na car. तब तक शार्क टैंक आया नहीं था, तो हम लोग पिच किया बिंदास. मेरे गाड़ी में नीचे उतर के जय जोना हम लोग शूटिंग कर लिया, हम लोगों ने आइडिया दिया और फिर आगे बढ़ गए. two brands were interested. One Teleco and one just a huge giant, like the top 3 billionaires of India. If you name them, इनका नाम आएगा. वो लोग. Both of them were very interested. But brand deals are not so easy when you're asking for a 60, 80 lakh, 1 crore kind of investment on digital 2016.
Nobody, yeah.
नहीं होएगा. तो नहीं हुआ. We kept the idea with us. In times, we got very busy with our staff faces like Kushadoli, Ankush, Shibani, everybody who were really good. Zen, Shantanu Parashar, all of these great humans. And वो idea rakha raha dabba. 2019, we come to Folk. And we're like, boss, we found this amazing place which takes the goodness of everything that we learned at Times and Advocating, all ex-Times and Advocating people who started this company. So they were like, वहाँ का जो नहीं करना था अपने को सीख लिया है, अभी वो इधर अच्छे से करते हैं. So very non-toxic, open floor environment, very nice and kind. Smaller setup. Somebody told me, bro, you're big fish, small pond, go for it. So I was like, okay, ठीक है. And I must have given them a tough time because I did 5 interviews before I got in. And not because they weren't satisfied with my profile. I was trying to understand what all is the gamut entail. And they were like, kar tere ko jo karna hai. So we were like, okay, thanks. So I said, there was an idea, which was this. And then Samar Verma, big ups to him, he's like, but what if? You went to those very pantapris where these guys struggled. And we're like, yeah. And I was like, I love this one name I've had in my mind called The Bombay Journey. So the trick is, if you name a show 3 words, it sticks. This is psychologically proven.
Wow, I feel good about The Real Deal right now.
Yeah, works always. Remember all the good shows. Coffee with Karan.
Okay.
And then
Give me more.
There's my own show called Kitchen Khanna Conversations. But there's so many. Like, you think about it and you'll like come up with a lot. Like Late Night Show is Late Night Show with.
Yeah.
The Kapil Sharma Show is basically Kapil Sharma Show. Because लोग क्या बोलेंगे 3 word में हो जाना चाहिए.
Good Morning America.
Good Morning America. Yeah. So The Morning Show.
Yeah.
Fiction, but क्या है बोलने का.
Yeah.
तो फिर इसके अंदर, and by then we had also done enough long form content with brands on board. Like Quaker had come to us and we'd done Kitchen Khanna Conversations. 3 names. And then another psychological hack was, if you name it with a K instead of a C, people will recollect. Again, psychologically proven. So you were like, इतना ज्ञान है अपने पास. और ये है.
Great ज्ञान. Like even I've never analyzed names like how you're saying.
Yeah.
It's making me, I'm actually still going through names in my head. Yeah.
And then bringing the OG strategy of IP first communication, face first communication. And then I said, boss, what if I do it? And Samar Verma said, go for it, yeah. I was like, गाड़ी नहीं मिल रही है, आपकी ले जाऊं. He had a Mustang then. He said, ले जा, ठोक्यो मत. I said, नहीं होएगा, tension मत लो. And the first guest actually cancelled Anam. We were underneath his apartment. He'd done too many goody things in the night before. So he just never woke up that morning. So first guest nahi hua. Second guest was Saif Ali Khan, who became the first guest. Bombay Journey takes off. Meta is calling because Rishita बैठी है उधर. She's like, bro, क्या कर लिया तूने? क्या बना दिया पागलपन?
But that's a fab episode 1 drop.
Yeah,
was your first guest intended who was to be?
Not as big as Saif.
Okay, so great, right?
Yeah,
worked out for you.
Music professional.
Okay, but worked out for you.
100%. And then Saif also, unabashed, comes and shows us Taimur baking videos, cute. And he himself says something controversial. He also tells me that, like, you know, you're calling Andheri Bombay. This is not Bombay.
Oh.
Because he's Carmichael Road and like Townie, you know.
He's
so
Bandra.
Now.
Oh, okay.
He's like Carmichael. Like Ambani, Bhai Sahab ki galli ke bahar wali galli.
In my head, he's Bandra.
Yeah. But like, you yourself have studied where you studied. You know you're like borderline Townie. So let's be honest. It's the beauty.
Me?
Yeah, did you go Scottish?
No, I'm from Pettit. I'm a Pali Hill.
Oh, you're Pali Hill.
That's
so
my
you're full
radius.
Bandra.
I'm full Bandra. Like end to end. Lived within 1 kilometer radius all my life.
Interesting. So then, beautiful thing is, another friend of mine was at Republic that time. She ended up writing about us. She said this show and this person has said this, and then once Republic carried it, the whole media world took off.
They did you a favor.
She did 100%. She did 100%. So then, 3 months later, pandemic happened.
Oh.
So now we had to pivot. So then we've been building shows, and this is the long story, not short, long version.
But it's so fascinating because this concept is really makes you feel like you're driving along with this person. I've seen the Saif episode. I feel like you have 2 Saif episodes, or is it just the one?
It's just the one.
So then it's the same one. I'm talking about. And
Yeah.
I feel like your Gehraiyan promotions video was really, really,
There's
really
parts
good.
of it which keep going viral every now and then.
Oh, even now?
Yeah.
It's been a few years.
Yeah. DP just said her favorite Bombay word is sandas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You stopped at A1 Bakery and that. This is
Yes.
very clear memory to me because I was doing one of those videos where I was getting food from specific celebrity places, and I think I referenced that
You
video.
could have, yeah.
And I went to the A1 Bakery and had what she ordered, and I obviously linked you guys and referenced it. But are you sometimes, while filming those videos, really feeling the pressure of like, okay, I need to keep this entertaining? Because conversations are not always as free flowing as one would hope. How are you navigating that? Because the people you're talking to most times are also like A-list celebrities. It's
Yeah.
okay to feel a little bit intimidated every now and then, no matter how confident you are as a person. How are you navigating those waters?
Yeah, today there is a lot of pressure to keep it entertaining because let's be honest, there's 100 podcasts out there and everybody has like your attention buying. They're buying for your attention.
Yeah.
Plus,
Attention is money in this economy.
हाँ जी, हाँ. और ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम बड़ा यूनिक फॉर्मेट कर रहे थे. हमने रेफरेंस नहीं किया इंटरनेशनल वर्जन्स को. हमने अपना ओजी आइडिया सोचा, बट इट्स लाइक आर्ट. सबकॉन्शियसली तो मैंने कभी ना कभी कुछ देखा ही हो सकता है ना. मुझे तो बड़ा ओरिजिनल आइडिया लगता है. आज तक मैं बोलता हूँ हमने रेफरेंस नहीं किया, हमने तो जर्नी करनी चाहिए. हमने तो सिर्फ ये चाहा कि मुंबई कैसे एक प्रॉप है आपकी जिंदगी में. How you've evolved from the day you came in with that झोला, because the image is CSMT स्टेशन के बाहर अब झोला लेके निकले हो, बाहर 1 रुपए का झुमका वाकर खाए हो, बहुत स्ट्रगल किए हो, and then you've reached where you've reached. So that's been the journey. But for entertainment purposes is not why we got off to eat. We just like, I'm this person, Anam. Whenever you ride with me, I'll be like, "तेरे को पता है क्या, इधर वो रहता है, उधर वो रहता है. इधर ना अतुल खत्री क्रिकेट खेलते थे, ऋतिक रोशन को छोटा नींबू बोलते थे." एंड पीपल आर लाइक, ये क्या कहानियां हैं बॉस? एंड आई एम लाइक, भाई मैं एडी हूं, मैं रहा हूं ऐसा, ये सब किया हूं, तो मेरे को पता है ये सब कहानियां. सो जनरली, and my ADHD definitely helps because I'm hyper concentrated on the road, but I'm also really involved in the conversation and really having fun. But I keep drifting away. So I'll keep making it entertaining because I'm also thinking 5 other things while they're answering. So I'm fully intently listening, and then I'm like, okay, but what about that relates to Juhu? What about that is your life got to do with like your hustle at that point in time? It's like, why do you think MF Hussain created Ghodas? You know, have you ever thought? I think random, like what?
And you're saying this to these people. And what happens when they're not engaging with you the way you want them to engage with you? Because, like, again, I'm tying everything back to the POV of the viewer. If they want to do what you are doing, I think the fun side everybody gets to see. What about, like, if you go a level, up a little deeper, dig a little deeper? Wow, I'm forgetting words. But, like, what happens when you're in, like, okay, this person is not really vibing for the moment? And with a celebrity, like, when I'm filming with a creator, and I've done a lot of, like, collabs, with your peers, you do stuff for Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And sometimes it's okay to be like reset and be like, okay, listen, but this is how you can say that because you're kind of like in the same league as them. But when it's a celebrity, how are you politely being like, we need a timeout? Because there's clearly no manager there unless there's someone hiding at the back sometimes, which
Never ever.
They've
always wanted, like with when we had Saif Ali Khan or like the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari ji, sometimes for protocol they've wanted a security personnel in the back. And it'll just be like latent, boss. We'll just have a human being sitting in the back like that, staring at seats.
And they've agreed to not
Let
have
the
them?
person go, yeah. In fact, they were like, we will dubak ke baith jao in the SUV in the back. I said, nahi boss.
Angles itne hain.
नहीं दिखोगे ही दिखोगे तो अलग बात है, बट आपको लगेगी आप कितने अनकंफर्टेबल रहेंगे. आप मतलब your arms and legs will.
Yeah, so that's my question. Then how are you telling them? Because then it's just you and them.
Yeah, so
there is no there's a lot of manager to manager communication which can be done, to smoothen those wrinkles a little bit.
You have no idea that the people behind the cameras are like.
Yeah, it happens at creator level also. So I can only imagine what is happening when you're dealing with A-list Bollywood celebrities.
Yeah. No, so this one time, A-list heroine came. Okay? She's done 5 days of promotions already.
Okay.
She's on the 6th or the 7th day. Big ups to her, yaar, for coming the second time and actually apologizing for the first time for being what she was. So this is what she was. She was tired. She'd made us wait 3 hours. So I'd already had a nap inside the car by then. I'm driving a pretty fabulous car, so I'm really happy about that only. Like, I'm just like, gajab gaadi aila hai, mast ekdam. It's about to get like sundown, so we can't film in the night because we need
Lighting.
daylight. We have had lights in the car sometimes, but it is just too jarring for the user to watch. And she comes in a rush thinking she will go get twilight photos in her terrace. So she has only like 55 minutes with us. And she's one of those like OG stars who knows OG interview giving techniques. So she's like, मुझे picture का बात करो ना, ये सब क्या जिंदगी का बात कर रहे हो आप? So a lot of questions that I posed to her, she answered back with a rhetoric, saying, "Oh, but what do you mean? Why are you asking me that? How?" Blah, I'm like, ये मेरे से लड़ क्यों रही हैं? मैं तो बस इनसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ. And this traffic and like intense traffic. Can't name the area because तब तो बिल्कुल ही giveaway हो जाएगा. But like कुत्ता ट्रैफिक है, कोई स्ट्रीट अर्चिन्स आके हमको कुछ बेच रहे हैं या कुछ मांग रहे हैं. मैं ये कॉन्वर्सेशन भी लाइव रखना चाह रहा हूँ. मैं उनकी जिंदगी में बात करना चाह रहा हूँ. बट big ups to her that when she came back on the show recently, when she came back on the show, she was like, was I really rude to you the last time? I said, yes, you were.
Did you fly with that first episode though? Did it go live?
Yeah, we did.
Oh.
So we said, yeah, you were. I don't know why you were being this person, but I thought you were, because you were doing 5 days of back-to-back promotions, you'd be crazy, thaka hua, and like, I know you wanted to run and take your photos because I saw them on Instagram immediately 30 minutes after we finished. So I knew why you were wanting to run to your this thing. You had no call. So I called her out. And I also realized that 5 years ago, I was a typical mard in evolution. Because anytime a woman was being curt, I thought her to be being rude. You know? Or anytime I thought our artists can't have a day where they're not in their best moods to be in an interview, I thought they still owed it to us to be, giving a great interview. Because we are at the end of the day promoting only, ना हम तो आपका help कर रहे हैं आपके product को आगे बढ़ाने में. But यार, I was like सही है. बाद में आके बोली जो बोली वो. We had another star who asked us to stop the car, yeah. And said petrol मत जलाओ. And I said EV है sir, चलो टेंशन नहीं है.
पेट्रोल मत जलाओ मतलब ये तो फॉर्मेट.
मतलब चालू करते ही बंद करने को बोल दिया था उन्होंने क्योंकि उनको करना नहीं था. और अंत में उन्होंने मेरे को अपशब्द बोले जो हमारे पास ऑडियो में रिकॉर्डेड है. कैमरा कट हो गए थे, but audio happened to be rolling.
But what are you? How are you navigating this in person? How are you like? What do you reply to someone who's telling you things? Like, are you just taking it and being like, just jane do? Or are you being like, please, you're being impolite, you're making me uncomfortable? What is your stance in that moment?
I can't say you're being impolite. You think anybody will be able to take it in India?
I mean, I feel like today, in this day and age, I think we're living in a time where you can be like, you're making me uncomfortable with this behavior. Can you not have a stance?
I've never tried, Anam. I should.
You should, because I mean, I'm coming from the point of view of ऐसे कोई एकदम न्यूबी भी हो तो सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट तो हर एक इंसान का हक होता है ना.
यार
you should be able to say sorry, like you're making me uncomfortable, can we have this conversation, like can we diffuse the tension? And
I'll tell you really I'll tell you what, audience doesn't allow me to be a human that I am, a 32-year-old with his own swabhiman, self-respect, whatever you want to call it, because they're like आप इतने बड़े सेलिब्रिटी को मिल रहे हो, वो आपको रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए टाइम दे रहे हैं, आप उनके सामने एटीट्यूड का दे रहे हो.
But this is very non-media nuance knowing, very janta audience. I feel like people who are a little bit aware of how the media industry knows that you are also promoting their product. They're also doing you a service by being on a show. It's a very, very
battery situation.
Yes, it's a very battery situation. It's a two-way street. One is not going to work without the other.
Yeah. You know, the beauty of the audience is also that I don't have to even say it. They spot snooty, snobby, and in the comments.
Yeah,
they're like, why was she being this person?
They're smart. The audience
is it just me, or was she really rude to Siddharth today? Is it just me, or was he disinterested in doing this? बात ही नहीं करना है तो मत ही आओ. वो बंदा बेचारा अपना हिंदी में पूछे जा रहा है, तुम अंग्रेजी में बोले जा रहे हो. सब हुआ है.
No, I love that YouTube has done that with the audience. Yeah, like full salam, because they can spot when you are truly there and not there, present, not present. But I think you should give it a go. That when someone is slightly, I'm gonna go a little into my this over here. I was shooting with the A-list Bollywood celebrity for a brand campaign. This is many years ago. I'm saying like pre-pandemic, many years ago, and I was intimidated as hell in that moment walking into that set because it was a huge bungalow that had been booked out, and I had to do this brand thing, and I know that my slot to shoot with her was like 1.5 hours or whatever, and it was a full end-to-end scripted segment. We had already sat on the scripts. ये सब हो चुका था. When I got there, and this person seems to be very like breezy, eloquent, all of that, like on camera. So I was expecting ये तो फट हो जाएगा, because like I had adjusted the script to make sure it still sounds like me no matter what I'm saying.
It's coming.
And this person is a very well speaker, like very good speaker and all of that. So I was like, it's going to be super chill. And I go, and it's like this long couch, and I'm sitting on one end and this person sitting on the other end. And we did like 20 something takes. And I'm almost proud to say I barely needed a second take. And I was like, it's okay. This is fine. But this person is now being attitudey towards me and being like, can you give me cue? Da, da, da. And I didn't know their cue. Like, I didn't know where to leave off. When you're saying like multiple lines, I can't jump to that. I'm not an actor.
Yeah, I was just thinking, तुम actor नहीं हो.
हाँ, मैं actor नहीं
I don't
हूँ.
expect that from you.
But I almost got like the vibe that I'm screwing up. And I remember we took a break eventually and came back. And my manager was with me on that set. And I said, did I screw up? Like, was I too much? And she was like, no, why? And I was like, because I felt this. She was like, just, it's okay, let it pass. And then the agency person came and clearly spotted a little bit and calmed me down. So I feel like I did tell them that मुझे थोड़ा uncomfortable feel हो रहा है. Can we just smoothen this out a little bit? And I'll do it again, but I can't be expected to accuse me. मैं actor नहीं हूँ. So I feel like you should next time. Just, I hope it never happens.
When I'm directing,
हाँ.
I've had A+ lister.
हाँ.
कुशा डॉली भी थी उस दिन पे. So I had some like safety net. महबूब स्टूडियो बुक्ड है, बड़ा सेट लगा है. डायरेक्टर के लिए इंटिमिडेटिंग होता है यार. 150 लोगों का क्रू है, केटरिंग लगी हुई है 2-3 टाइप की, और हमारे को 8 घंटे में आर्टिस्ट के साथ करीब वही 1.5-2 घंटा मिलेगा. Piece to camera fairly easy, multi other camera rolls, B-rolls I can do without the artist. So वो लोग चले जाते हैं अपना मेन करके. भाई सब मतलब आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए.
Of course.
हाँ, तो I asked her to do one more and she said क्या? कौन बोला? And then I was like, shit, I shouldn't have. So I walk up to her and I've left like my monitor, which is about 50 meters away, walked to her. In her ear said, एक काम करो, आप आओ जरा मेरे साथ टेक देखो. और जब मैंने उनको टेक दिखाया, she understood that, it wasn't good. And I had spotted one of her hair strands being really awkward. It's like, तेरे को वो दिखा? I said, हाँ मैम. करते ना एक और. ये बार ना ये चीज ऐसा, ये चीज ऐसा, ये चीज ऐसा. Like, चल डन. तेरे को ऐसा बोलना. And then she gave me tuck, 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 and we landed. So it's not like you will vibe match at the first go. Maybe you have a conflict, maybe you discuss side mein, and then you go for it. Like Rajkumar Rao and Vikrant Massey, now we've had them 4, 5 times. We share our mithai wala. Really. Like,
no, but more power to you for fixing, like finding all of these, you know what I mean? Ways to make things work and sharing mithai wala, sure.
Yeah, and then off camera we'll see like, भाई अपन 5 बार मिल लिया, अब क्या बातें करें? And I'm like, भाई तुम्हारी acting की किसी ने बात नहीं की है. I think you have a master class to give on just that. Can we discuss that today? ये क्या लेके आया? तो मैं बोला ये लेके आया. ये हाँ ठीक है, बता मत, पूछ ले मेरे को तभी. And we'll go for it.
Celebrities को edits देखना होता है, approval देना होता है.
बहुत बार celebrities को से ज्यादा उनके PR manager होते हैं.
It's always that.
ठीक है, वो लोग डर रहे होते हैं क्योंकि कई बार सेलिब्रिटीज मुंहफट हो सकते हैं. कई बार सेलिब्रिटीज कुछ मेरे साथ फ्लो में बोल दिए क्योंकि फॉर्मेट ऐसा है या हमारा कंडक्ट करने का तरीका बहुत काइंड है, अच्छा है, तो आप बोल जाते हो. बट बाद
they are
में
not seeing it also, ना, like they don't know only.
They don't remember. अब 1.5-2 घंटा बात हो गया कई बार.
And है नहीं शूट के टाइम पे.
वो अलग टंटा है. गाड़ी वाला तो अलग ही टंटा है. So sometimes we like, भाई उसको कुछ याद नहीं उसने क्या बोला, क्योंकि वो तुम लोग तो कुछ भी किए. तुम लोग उधर गए, फिर इधर आए, फिर तुम लोग खाए, तुम लोग पिए, तुम लोग ये चिल किए, वो किए. एंड नॉट लाइक दारू, लाइक कुछ भी पियो सकते हो. तो एंड देन आई एम लाइक, आप वही दो ना जो पॉइंटर है आपको, जो जिन पे आपत्ति है, आई विल पर्सनली लुक इनटू इट.
बट यू डोंट शेयर इट.
We never ever are able to because global protocol. See, Mashable is a global platform which we syndicate in India as Folk Media Group. Mashable and IGN, both of our content pieces, they have global protocols and policies we follow. Hotfly and Curly Tails are still policies that Folk Media Group's, core management controls. But even for that, there's a huge process, email, एंड लाइक ब्रांडेड कंटेंट वालों को मैं तवज्जो दूंगा ना, वो वाली। आप तो, हम तो बार्टर कर रहे हैं ना। आप तो हमारे शो पे आए हो टू प्रमोट समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन। वी आर गिविंग यू द प्लेटफॉर्म, थैंक्स टू यू वी हैव बिकम दिस बिग। So it's a two-way street.
Which is a fair policy. I feel like at the end of the day, as long as you're being nice enough to say, listen, what are the points that you'd like to keep out? हम edit में देख लेंगे. I think it's a very fair policy.
I mean, once you've given an interview to a newspaper, अगले दिन छप जाएगा ना भाई। आप जाके न्यूज़पेपर में एडिट नहीं कर सकते ना, काट के थोड़ा डाल दो।
लेकिन कितना change हुआ है over the years? Because you're saying 2016 you got the idea. When did you launch, let's say, the Bombay Nest?
2020 Jan 20th we shot
the Bombay Journey.
हाँ जी।
And today we're sitting in August 2025. In these 5 years, TikTok has come and gone. Reels has
boomed.
Clearly, really taken off. Shorts has really boomed as well. What according to you has changed apart from the obvious vertical cuts which are coming out of all the long form pieces?
Attention deficit economy में जीते हैं भाई हम। लोगों को नहीं देखना कंटेंट, लोगों को scrutiny higher है. The amount of negative comments I get today is the highest that I've ever gotten. We've also tried to be really entertainment first and gone from very serious hardcore podcasting because that is you getting that content from somewhere na. Raj or Ranveer, one of them will satiate your desire for that. So हम लोग गाड़ी में गेड़ी पे हैं, मजी कर रहे हैं, तो आप लोग हमारे पास उसके लिए आ रहे हो ना।
But sensitivity को कैसे संभालोगे? I mean from the point of view जो celebrity के भी मुंह से निकल रहा है और जो comments में भी मिल रहा है।
यार जैसे आमिर खान साहब हैं, ठीक है, he came on our show, him and I have had a pre-debrief. We just wanted to know ये क्या है भाई, तू क्या कर रहे है, ये क्या फॉर्मेट है, ये किधर से आया, क्यों कर रहे तू? So we met before and I told him and he's like okay let's do this, चल। उससे पहले हम लोगों ने every picture tells a story किया, उनकी कहानियां about photos and then we went into the car. People don't realize that him and I have had a conversation about me calling him Amir because he's like you call me Amir and I'll call you Sid. They expect me to call him Amir sir, Amir साहब,
and then that becomes,
and that is a huge issue, saying कौन है रे तू जो तू उनको आमिर बोल रहा है?
So now you start establishing these things in intros or you're just
no, never. We still are not. Today I'm giving justification randomly. Rahman sahab, I asked him, AR, what do you want me to call you? Rahman, AR, Rahman sir, Anna. And he said, कुछ भी बुलाना चलेगा मेरे को। वो कट में नहीं आता ना यार। हम लोग चल के रैंडम लिफ्ट में ये सब बात कर ले रहे हैं, यार सीढ़ियों पे बात कर रहे हैं, ये सब तो ये सब नहीं आता है। बट सेंसिबिलिटीज का ये भी है कि corporate today, at least the creative world, refers to each other by first name.
Yeah.
I'm not calling you Anam Ji. I'm just calling you Anam.
Yeah.
You're calling me Sid, Siddharth, Alam, whatever you remember from college or whenever. Mrunal and I are batchmates from, she was Casey, I was Wilson. I've taken her photos during college projects. Yaar. I will call her Mrunal Bachchi, kya re tu, kaisi hai? Mithila was, you know,
yeah.
our, yeah, right, like, वो तो मैं बोला ही नहीं अभी तक। मिट्टू पिल्लू तो मैं बोला ही नहीं अभी तक। मतलब श्रेया को हम क्या बुलाते हैं या मल्लू को हम माला बुलाते हैं, मल्लू बुलाते हैं, तो हम करे ही नहीं अभी तक। ये सब लड़की लोग, लड़का लोग
people are getting offended also very quickly because you're saying because of what you're calling them. But
because for them, they are these big stars, like, you know, they're icons. And for us, we're in the creative industry. We are dealing with them like at that moment as peers.
Yeah.
So yes, all of this is increased. Plus the male feminist. So a lot of time, ये मजेदार बात हुई है. लोगों को ये नहीं पता कि बॉम्बे जर्नी हिट हुआ और उसमें मेरा entrenchment into the media world बढ़ा हुआ. And then we sought a conversation which was not existing on the internet, which was feminism. And we started the male feminist. A lot of people think Kajol and I were having a chill conversation because I'm the male feminist. I'm like, bro, the Bombay journey is the biggie. The male feminist is an offshoot. Or they're like, these girls are so comfortable with him because he's the male feminist. I'm like, no, it's not because I run a show called The Male Feminist. It's just because I am the feminist.
The energy leads to the show, and not the show leading to the energy.
Correct. Yeah. Or not one show leading to another show.
Yeah. Are you, I want to come to the male feminist for a quick second, and I have a hot take there, but are you replying to people in the comments when they are taking, like, are you saying, dude, we discussed that in the lift, or hello, we work in media, हम लोगों का नाम लेते हैं?
नहीं, ये तो नहीं करते कभी.
यानी बिल्कुल justify नहीं करते हो, बिल्कुल explain नहीं करते हो, context बिल्कुल नहीं देते हो, it's like a don't complain policy?
Yeah, we give, so a lot of times, sometimes it's worthy care. You know, they're really worried for us कि गाड़ी में इंटरव्यू को करना है. It's so unsafe for you and for the world. We're like, boss, आप लोगों को नहीं दिखता है, but there's a cushioned car. So it's a follow car, a lead car, and our car, and we are in a trio. A lot of times you can see the entourage.
You can.
Yeah, like you can see police vehicles also when we have protocol folks like Rohit Shetty Saab or Nitin Gadkari ji or Piyush Goyal ji. Like on the ceiling, we were at an entourage of 10 people at one time. Like all of Piyush Goyal ji's cars and entourage was with us. So sometimes it is multiple cars.
देखो given तो 3 है ही.
हाँ, उसके ऊपर कितना भी हो सकता है.
Correct.
So I would reply to comments initially when we were growing, and that is a strategy that still works. I still do it on my personal handle, but there's a lot of hate that comes over there also. मैं उसको भी reply कर लेता हूँ कई बार. I take up hate hard to say. The team still has a protocol. We have because it's feedback, right? And imagine TV और फिल्म वालों को तो ये नहीं नसीब है ना जो हमको है. आप लोग को जो मजा आया नहीं आया कैसा लगा बता दो कमेंट्स में. तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा है क्योंकि then I'm tweaking strategies on content basis the feedback that people are giving me live. Like ये ड्रॉप हुआ अगले ट्यूसडे के एपिसोड से पहले मैं कुछ चेंज कर सकता हूँ. So that's the thought.
That's the beauty of social
media. That's the lovely.
I want to come to my hot take.
Yes, you should.
And I'm going to say this in a way that I'm obviously clearly not trying to offend
tell
you.
me.
So when I first heard about your show and watched The Male Feminist, and I'll be honest, I've only seen a few episodes, 2 or 3 maybe. And this is an innate thought that I have as a woman who's now 34. I feel like men can be allies. Can they fully ever be feminists? My opinion or my thought, and feel free to help me change it or just give me your POV on it, is हमारी जो lived experiences होती हैं as women, especially let's talk about the media industry because that's where we are, is so different from a man's. Like I feel like men will be taken seriously 3x, 4x more than a woman will. And I'll give you a very pointed example of something that has really stayed with me. 2017, I was consulting with 2 really big brands in the fashion space for content. They had a fab agency and content teams and all of that. But they didn't have someone who was like copywriters and things like that. But they didn't have someone with like who knows the trends and who will pair what and to supervise their shoots. And it was a very cool role I was in. I loved it. Think of it like a creative consultant from a fashion lens. And somebody that they were interviewing for a junior role walked in and had a great conversation. And one of the people from, I can't remember whether he was with the brand or their agency, said that, okay, but she's just given an interview. Interview was fine. Why was she so decked up for this? And I remember looking at him and being like, do you realize that if she walked in, not dressed the part, not hair done, you would have said she's too sloppy to be working in fashion for the role that we're looking for. And now she's like, I almost feel like sometimes women just can't win. And as much as like men, and I'm not talking about you, I swear this is not to be taken personally, but men feel like they are now understanding a woman's side more. Can you fully be in that? I love that you're saying that. Thank you. Okay.
Boss, no vagina, no opinion. चुप बैठो. सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ. भाई, boss, I'll be very honest and I'll make it like a rapid fire. Okay? There's 3 parts to your question. One is that we realize that 2 women have sat across each other and spoken about feminism for decades now. क्या हुआ? जितना हुआ. But क्या अगर एक मर्द बैठेगा और बात करेगा क्या और जनता उठ के नोटिस लेगी? Yes. So thank God for that insight to come to. Actually, this is pure play Summers credit, boss. That man sat there and said, we've always spoken about the woman behind. Why? Can we talk about the man behind? That man sat there and said, can we talk about the male feminist? And my channel head that time opposed it. We've had intense meetings before the start of Male Feminist saying, mat karo. And queuing kar rahe hain. And big ups to folks like Shruti Hassan, who was the first guest, came in and said some stellar stuff like until and unless the top grade of women are up, the upper echelon is filled with women, we will not have the trickle down of feminism or true equality in an organization. Okay? Fab content. Fab woman speaks about how her younger sister actually fought for her, etc., etc. As a man, Anam, I will not lie to you, 10 years ago, I have been that dude who's pointed at my best friend's bra strap and said, Tera bra dikh raha hai, andar kar le. And मैं concern से बोल रहा था. I have also been the person जो आज तक बड़ी माँ की बहन की गाली देता है, not realizing that's completely against the ideology I'm preaching. I have also been the person who's realized that the bit I started with, कि हमको मर्दों को आइडिया नहीं है कि आप लोगों के पास आजकल एक वाइब्रेटिंग मशीन आ गई है which is for your period cramp pain or your stomach or your bloating or whatever. We've like those men who know a Meftal different from cyclospam. What is that?
Yeah, or a Baralgun.
or any of these medicines, who knows heating pad, who are okay with themselves cooking or not cooking, their spouses or their partners or their friends cooking or not cooking. There's a lot. और पेट्रियार्की दोनों तरफ फटा हुआ है ना, और औरतों में भी उतना ही भरा पड़ा है जितना मर्दों में भरा पड़ा है.
100%.
तो मल्टीफोल्ड बैटल चल रहा है. So for your media world example, the set on the Indian film industry till date has a lot of men who will look at women, like my last channel head used to say, in an eye rapey manner.
In a what manner?
Eye rape. Like they do your eye rape.
I thought I heard you wrong.
Yeah, I also didn't hear her right the first time. I said, did I hear you right? She said yes. And she was talking about a particular area in Mumbai. And I was like, oh yeah, for sure. She's like, you can be wearing a burqa or an LBD, both black. It could be any range. They will still like eye rape. And all women watching out there, if you relate, please let me know in the comments, because मर्दों को ये नहीं मिलता है. कोई आपके क्रॉच को घूरता नहीं है 20 मिनट तक लगातार.
Yeah.
औरतों को कई बार बोलना पड़ता है, आंखें इधर है भाई.
No, and the percentage of women that have been physically touched without consent, even if it's a graze, is ridiculous. Even though Bombay is a relatively safe city compared to so many in the country, I've had instances where, whether it's been people I know or don't know, I don't know if I can use the word eye rape because that feels a little bit in itself
intense,
very, but like stares or like making you feel uncomfortable just with the way you're, you can tell. It's like that, knowing good touch, bad touch, that good look, bad look, uska bhi ek texture hai, unfortunately. Yeah.
यही है सत्य. मैं जितनी महिलाओं से मिला हूँ, now we are at 135 episodes of The Male Feminist, each and every one has had an instance to a level where somebody in Dadar was walking with their groceries back home. I think this is Priya Bapat. And somebody सामने से grabbed her boobs and left. And she's frozen over there. People are like, आपको मारना चाहिए था. अरे यार, आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि कोई भी लड़का लोग बताओ कि कोई सामने से आया, they grabbed you by your balls and felt them lovingly and left. And they will be 99 में से 100 में से 99% will say नहीं, but 1% will say हाँ तो हमारे साथ तो हुआ है. बॉस इधर 99% महिलाएं बोल रही हैं, मे बी 100% महिलाएं बोल रही हैं उनके साथ कुछ हुआ है.
And also the fact that as a woman, you don't know what physically giving back is further going to cause, what the further reaction to that is.
Yes.
Like what I was always taught by my mom and the older women in my life growing up was, if it's just something that's happening and moves further, don't create a ruckus because you don't know what that person is going to come back and do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
My first ever time somebody touched me without consent was literally in the lane behind my house. And I was about 8 or 9 years old at the time. I was walking with a cycle to go meet my friend. And I didn't know if I should turn back and go into my gate because then they would know where I was going.
Yeah.
So I just continued walking where I was going.
So many such stories.
And that's what I mean by like men. And I love that you're saying that you cannot actually ever live that experience. So I believe I'm married to someone that I can say is as close as a feminist as possible. But I always refer to him as an ally because I feel like no matter what, there are certain very multi-layered situations where I'll be like, okay, but what about this versus this? And I love that because he's so much of an ally. He will be like, yeah, actually I don't expect for it to come fully naturally to a man because the lived experience is so different.
Yeah.
The nazariya is different. The way you would react is different. And women, especially like women on the South Asian subcontinent, we've been conditioned to let go. We've been conditioned to jane do. We've been conditioned to don't react and make it a bigger situation than it needs to.
Pick your battles.
Pick your battles. And honestly, a part of me wants to pick every battle, but I think because life teaches you and ठहराव happens as you grow, you realize that, okay.
अरे अभी तक तो हम इसमें पेरेंटिंग नहीं लाए हैं, डीलिंग विद इन-लॉज नहीं लाए हैं, just generally as a strong woman, opinionated woman walking on the road in the night नहीं लाए हैं, like anything.
अरे मुझे तो लोग कितने बार बोलते थे that you drive back home late in the night because like in my last year of college, I was doing a lot of TV content at that time. And I would come back from shoots at like midnight, 1 a.m. And my parents always knew where I was. Location was always shared with them. There was a very open, free relationship that I always shared with them. But others seem to have a lot of opinions about it. I'm like, I'm driving back. We're in Mumbai. It's safe. My car is always locked.
Bro, you've won Fresh Face by then, right?
Oh, yeah. That happened
क्या
very
चाहिए
early
public
on.
को?
Because of that, it led to a lot of things also, na, in my life. Like
2012.
I won Bobby Times Fresh Face in 2010.
Wow.
March 22nd, 2010. Yeah.
See?
Yeah. This
Pivotal
is like,
moment.
yeah, for sure. Oh, so much.
I randomly remember your crowning moment, like
Oh.
obscure memory ADHD. Thanks.
love that.
I should tell people that there are good things also.
Were you there? In the
Were you? It wasn't happening in Wilson that time.
No, it happened. It was happening in
It was.
Wilson.
Yeah, it was.
You're right.
See, yeah.
Wow, I forgot. This
Why
is
else
like
would I remember this so like visually?
you're unlocking like things in my mind.
I'm also
today.
like with the camera under the stage, na kach.
I want to go back and dig through this hard drive of mine
Yeah.
now. You make me want to go back and do that.
Also, Shane won right after or 2 years after. Shane Colasso runs a gym somewhere now.
Then Siddharth Chaturvedi also win Fresh
Siddhant
Face.
also, I think, has won Fresh Face at some point in time.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So, circling back to your journey, if you had to encapsulate it and tell anyone watching who wants to be in a space similar to yours, and by similar to yours, I don't just mean as a creator in general, I mean someone who is working in the proximity of celebrities, likes the interview format, wants to be, in a similar role. If you had to give them 3 simple tips, what would they be? Like just 3 simple do's. And if you want to throw in don'ts as well, I don't mind.
Yeah, I don't know if there are simple.
Acha.
Like my advice is very complicated sometimes, I've realized.
Chalega, I'll take it.
Okay, so number 1, find your 10,000 hour passion. Like for me, it was photography. I literally took 300 photos sometimes in a day. Because digital है, गाड़ी तो भरेगा, कितना ही बुरा जाएगा, किसका? तो मैं मलाड से निकलता था, चरनी रोड जाता था, मैं रास्ते में चिड़ियाओं की, रेलवे की, पत्थर के ऊपर थूक की, बोर्ड ऑफ पार्ला, स्लो ट्रेन आ गई तो people in the train, if they allowed, off Churni Road, people romancing at Girgaon Chopati, my own college, rain hitting the parapet of Wilson College that you see on the road, my friends, me, everybody. And then on my way back, afternoon crowd of Bombay. Such a weird energy. The Machwari ladies have just done their bits and now they're fully tired. Now they're in a very chill avatar. In the morning, you've seen them angry at your face. In the evening, afternoon, they're like, हाँ भाई अभी हो गया मेरा बेच के मस्त पैसा कमाया मैंने मैं जाके खा के सो जाएगी. So 10,000 hours of your passion point, do it. Become so good at it कि कोई भी माइकल कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछे आपको बताना होने का. The idea is कि when you start doing professional setups, a lot of seniors will throw jargon at you because somebody threw jargon at them. So when they say random stuff, you should be able to answer with like enough amount of awareness, not just answer for faffing. And you don't GPT it or don't like AI it because it won't help you sail through. So 10,000 hours really helped me. I would suggest you do that too. दूसरा, अगर आप टॉकर होने वाले हो तो भाषा पे अच्छी पकड़ पाओ ना. आप सीख के फिर उसको अपने तरीके से बोल लो. बड़ा पहले तो भाषा पे पकड़ पाओ. I don't think we've explored our languages enough. And our vernac languages are super. I can read, write, and speak Telugu, Hindi, English, and understand Haryanvi. I can see at least. I think I have a fair understanding of Bengali and Marathi. I'm married to a Probashi Bengali, and I live in Maharashtra, so I know Marathi. Like I can really, in like a full accent, say मला माहिती आहे पण बोल शकत नाही. और आम्ही बुझते पारी किंतु बोलते पारी ना. And that is just my fascination with languages now because I have some पकड़ on it. But if you want to talk to camera, get to know your language. Third, देखो यार थोड़ा सा I don't know what word it is.
Whatever you're going to
थोड़ा
say.
सा whatever. Like if you're in front of camera ना, एक थोड़ा look लेके आओ ना, मतलब be well groomed, well kept, neat. ऐसे आप भलते मत लगो. Every other word I've realized that we've used for representing any kind of bad look was casteist. So I'm going to ignore from saying that. Why are we looking like we've just woken out of bed? If that's your look, then just go for it only. Let that be the only look. My wake up out of bed is my look. भाई मेरा बाल ऐसा वैसा रहेगा, मेरा मुंह ऐसा वैसा रहेगा, I'm drooling रहेगा, जो रहेगा चलेगा. But like, if you're that, then own it. Don't evolve into becoming something else because then your audiences who've come on for the real deal you will bugger off. So, really speaking, just keep your own in a neat, well-kept manner.
I think that being well groomed, and we say well groomed because we don't mean like we don't mean like you have to be good looking in a conventional sense, but being well groomed in the media landscape, whether you're behind the camera or in front of it, goes a very long way. Pretty privilege aside, truly, just being well groomed in itself is something that creates a very good impression.
100% boss.
So, like, whether it's even something like just wearing the right size clothes or just making sure your beard is well trimmed if you're a man, that's very good advice, actually.
Yeah. And आपको कितना अच्छा लगेगा ना, मेरे को मस्त लग रहा है यार, क्या मैं बोला ठीक है यार, मतलब whatever like my stylist has done is awesome, high streak, but like the essence is कि I did my own makeup and I don't shy away from exclaiming that. I'm wearing a good watch. Generally, I'm wearing two watches in my both hands, one digital, one this.
Why two?
I picked it up from Abhishek Bachchan. यार मेरे को मजा आया, style
Doesn't
अच्छा लगा.
Amitabh Bachchan wear both on the same hand?
Amitabh ji also wears two watches, but
on
I
the
don't
same
know.
hand.
वो जो करते हैं वो तो मिस्टर बच्चन है. मैं तो अभिषेक से मिला हूं, मेरे को उनका पता है. Cool dude.
Does it help?
I'm tracking my this thing. Yeah, today I put my digital watch to charge very far away, so I've forgotten.
Okay, it's not a
But-
good luck type thing. It's just an analog.
I don't know,
versus digital
like
thing.
could it be?
Could be. Are you comfortable talking money? Are you comfortable
Yeah,
talking about
I think
money?
so. I don't know.
If you're not, we'll cut this segment out.
Yeah,
But as someone who has worked in the space for 15 years, at least post college, let's say about what has it been?
yeah. For post college, 12
15
years,
Yeah.
but 15 years.
And-
2010, 11, I started working only. Na?
Okay. And in the space that you are now, are you comfortable saying what an average person in your space might make so that people, I'm coming from this and I'm asking everyone on every episode because I feel like I want to be able to educate the audience on the kind of money in the creator media space for people around our age. With the women, I always kind of go ahead and highlight that we don't need the husbands and boyfriends and papas funding our lives. And I want to kind of break that myth and make it clearer. And also for men, I feel I don't want to leave the boys out.
Yeah, no. So I'll give you justification for everything. The thing about that is that Indians are not taught to share things like this.
नजर लग जाएगी.
नजर लग जाएगी, या दूसरा मर्दों को तो इवन बोला जाता है कि भाई don't ask his salary. So men are not sharing unless they're making enough or more than what you would expect them to. So there's a bunch of things I do behind the camera. I lead content across Folk Media Group on the brand solutions execution front and the editorial content on videos. So I know when I hire, like right before this podcast getting here, I was speaking to a potential candidate to host a show for us. So the thing about it is, if you're just starting off as a girl or a boy, you make about 6 to 8 lakhs. Okay? If you know how to produce, you add 2 lakhs more to it or 20% more to it. Between 20 to 30% more to it. Because then you've given an added advantage for the system to just get a DP and a sound person to send with you.
Correct.
तुम ही produce कर लोगे, तुम ही shoot, मतलब तुम ही anchor भी कर लोगे. Every time you add a talent to it, you add 10% more. So writer भी हो आप 10% more. Researcher तो चलो उसके साथ ही हो जाता है क्योंकि आजकल GPT Plus या Gemini Pro है या Perplexity जो भी आपको यूज करना है वो है, तो आप उससे बेहतर हो जाते हो. Today's day and age, you can't be just a person. You can't just be I'm just host.
Especially in media.
Bro, रहने दो आप. अभी आप 3 चीज करना आता है या 2 चीज करना मांगते हैं. So like the purists, I'm sorry, but like stop writing those LinkedIn posts where you say, oh my God, if you just wanted an editor, you should have just said editor. Boss, but if you know how to package my reel better, then I will pay you a little more na. Take na GFX का पैसा. If you know sound, then better sound करेगा. As an experienced veteranish host, today you can make about 25 to 30 lakhs also. That's not what I make. I'm giving you broad figures because I'm fortunate to employ people within the company and the space I lead
Fair.
to do this. When you go to the Middle East, these figures get multiplied slightly because you're earning in dirhams, or let's say in Indonesia, it'll get reduced because वहाँ का पैसा थोड़ा कम चल रहा है media landscape में. So hosting can make you that much because I'm in a space which is I lead content, I host 3 shows. I'm India and Dubai sometimes and Delhi also. So bunch of things, and every time I do a sale, that's a different money. तो मेरा सैलरी तो मैं नहीं बता रहा.
नहीं वो ठीक है. You really helped us. I want to actually go one level deeper. What if somebody doesn't want to be on camera and just wants to be a
Producer.
showrunner / producer
Yeah.
and kind of like run the show from behind the scenes? Because there are so many people who want to work in media but don't realize that there's, especially when it's productions, you know what I mean? And video content in the zone that you're doing, there is someone at the back who's running it. Now you're doing your own for the show. But what if someone wants to do just that and not be in front of the camera?
So for a producer, pick the top three things I said, right? You either are really good at the passion point, you're a really good photographer, videographer, editor.
वो talent का angle एक होना चाहिए.
Talent थोड़ा सा कुछ तो होना ही चाहिए.
Apart from logistics, which is a very big part.
उस पे मैं आएगा. तो आपको क्या होता है, चकाचौंध दिखती है कि ये दो लड़का लड़की बैठे हैं, बात कर रहे हैं. बॉस, किसी ने ये लगाया है, ये स्टैंड, किसी ने ये झाड़ के बारे में सोचा है, किसी ने ये टेबल के बारे में सोचा है, ये सिमेट्रिकल 2 ग्लास के बारे में सोचा है, इस माइक में आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं सोचा है, वहां ये लाइट बैकग्राउंड, एवरीथिंग सोचा है, राइट? देयर इज अ बंच ऑफ people nodding their faces and smiling very nicely because they've been recognized. ये सब करने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा बोरिंग काम जाता है. एक्सेल शीट, ईमेल, जद्दोजहद, नेगोशिएशन, ट्रैफिक में लोड करना अपना सामान. तो अगर आप ईगो अपनी बिठा दो साइड में, क्योंकि कई बार एक आर्टिस्ट लाइक यू सेड, किस पे चिढ़ा है आपको नहीं मालूम, अपने आप की एसिडिटी से चिढ़ा है आपको नहीं मालूम. वो सिर्फ आपको ये बोलेगा, ये तू मेरी आईलाइन से हट रहे, एंड यू विल बी लाइक, ओ भाई मैंने क्या किया, मैं तो सिर्फ कैमरा लेके आया आज. एंड यार मेरे को तो अभी तक लंच भी नहीं मिला है. सो इफ यू कैन पुट योर ईगो असाइड, इफ यू कैन बी एन mad organizing person, and sometimes just kindness goes a long way. Just coming and getting to know everybody's name, knowing your Excel sheet. And a producer truly is appreciated when they're able to reduce bulk costs. Like you go back to the vendor and get a cost for 10 episodes, so you've reduced. You talk to the transport guy and you say, boss, आप मेरे को इतना कर दो ना, मैं इतना टाइम आपका सर्विस लेगा ना, ये रहा डेडिकेटेड, पीडी से ले लो. एंड द पर्सन लाइक, भैया बढ़िया बिजनेस करते हैं. तो वो बिजनेस एक्टिव अगर हल्का सा है आपके पास, बिकॉज द मीडिया बिजनेस इज ऑल्सो लाइक अ बिजनेस. आई एम लुकिंग एट अ P&L, आई एम लुकिंग एट अ bottom line, and I am looking at what will potentially get me somewhere. So for a producer, talent, 10,000 hours, and then lot of logistics and people management.
And potential salaries?
So potential salaries can be really low actually when you start. So when a junior producer starts, you can start off as an intern. You'll be getting your 7.5, 10, 15 stipend type ka paisa. 10 years ago it was 3.5 lakh. Today it's about 4.5 lakh. Depends on which kind of place you may be coming out of. Even if you've done a master's degree, sometimes you get only this much. Sadly, digital media is not as bright as it was 10 years ago. And as folk media, I can say that we miss competition. Like I miss having the scoop poops and the BuzzFeeds and the, the scrolls and the news laundries and all of the buggers who were doing great content that time be doing with us.
More for you?
No. See, the thing is, if you're buying a great phone, then you want to have an option to buy another phone on the same price range, right? So because you're dabbling, you may land up on me because you just didn't like the other guy. Producers can make a good ton of money if you are on the marquee show of the channel. So let's say on Mashable India, it would be the Bombay Journey. On Hot of Light, it would be the Male Feminist, or maybe today even a Gully Fashion on Date With, or 2am Stories, like one of the hardcore, like very specialist kind of perspective. So you could make up to 15, 18 lakhs. But if you want to make more, you'll have to start developing a other skill on the side. Like my current channel head is my best friend and editor who turned himself into a branded content editor, producer while at it, and then became a channel head after he knew post-production very well. So like he can optimize post-production very well. So for me, my pipeline is sorted. 24 videos, 180 reels in a month. All of this is like clockwork machinery. Or the channel manager, Shreyansh Patil, is somebody who does music content. He ran Todford, made it. So you get to that kind of a salary level only after you've developed more skills. But you sit in the range of 10 to 12 lakhs for a very long time before you take a leap. Yeah.
That's really interesting. I feel like I'm really hoping that we've really been able to kind of crack open a whole bunch of, when people watch content like this, they don't often understand how much money they can make, how many people are involved, how many years going to being where you are. And I hope that we're able to kind of give them a lot of context with that. I'm not ending this episode yet. I have this really interesting segment we do.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So usually we do like hot or not.
Okay.
But I feel like in your context, we're going to do whether it has happened or not happened with
Okay,
you.
cool.
I'm going to give you a few scenarios. And if you feel like giving us context, please give. Interviewing a celebrity you don't organically like. I'm not believing that you like everyone you've ever interviewed.
Organic. Yeah, yes, I will agree. I will 100% say the same thing.
Okay, then my next question, I don't know how you'll answer. Not liking a celebrity initially, but growing to like them by the end of filming that episode. ये हुआ हो सकता है ना?
अब यार देखिए आप 250 plus 280 episodes on the Bombay Journey, 135 on the Mill Feminist.
वही तो कह रही हूँ, you can't have liked so many people from the get-go or from before filming with them. I'm being very realistic.
I'm a huge, like, who has a cinema tattoo on their arm? I'm a huge cinema person. I love everyone who is in this business. Like, if you're doing what you're doing. So, I've always loved everybody I've had.
Okay, fine. I'll pretend to believe you.
I love some part of their work for sure.
Putting up with weird demands from managers for a shoot. You put up with all demands, you don't mind it. Everything you put up with. अब आया
यार
ना ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे.
on camera somebody's told me I'm eating chicken but this is veg.
Oh, that took me a second to register. Oh, but then obviously you cut that out. Oh God. All right.
इतना तो हम भी दे देंगे ना.
हाँ. Calling a celebrity by the wrong name while filming.
Yes, it's
हुआ है ना? बाद में पूछूंगी.
We've stopped doing 3 interviews in a day. Folks, everybody, PR managers watching this, अब हम 3 नहीं करते हैं. मैंने बोला, welcome to my show name. I will not name which one. And I was like, we have... हाँ, आप ही बता दो. पर 3 इंटरव्यू दिन में अब हम नहीं करते हैं.
Oh my God.
नहीं करने का, इतना नहीं करने का, छापने का नहीं, मशीन नहीं बनने का.
Actually becoming friends with someone you've interviewed? Yeah? You want to say who?
यार can I flex by saying जानवी कपूर को मैं कुछ भी भेज देता हूँ randomly अगर कुछ बोलना रहेगा तो, या चलो ठीक है मृणाल मिथिला कुशा डॉली ये मित्र हैं, अंकुश ये सब मित्र हैं, ठीक है. अंकुश का इंटरव्यू नहीं किया बट दोस्त है. विक्रांत एंड राजकुमार राव फुल लाइक शो की वजह से, ऑल्सो बिकॉज वी एवरी ईयर वी मेट देम. सो लाइक अभी मतलब मैं सिर्फ ये पूछता हूँ लास्ट ईयर से अब तक क्या डिस्कवर किया बता दो.
Have you ever fanboyed so hard that you had to do multiple retakes?
No.
Love that.
Thanks to being on set as a child artist, the mad aura or the madness doesn't come through. हमेशा human level पे बात होती है.
The PR rep was annoying as hell about an edit. Yeah.
Boss.
You faked knowing some of their work? Have you ever faked knowing some of their work?
I've been called out by all, so thank you for being really real.
Really real. Have you ever enjoyed the small talk before filming more than actually the episode filming? कभी नहीं.
यार it is so small यार. मुंबई में humidity है हाँ तो.
अच्छा, you don't like.
खड्डे है हाँ तो.
Debriefing has never been better than the actual filming.
यार one debriefing actually went south.
Oh.
He or she said brother, and for me brother is that one sticker on WhatsApp which is like brother don't be a G-man. For whoever knows the sticker knows that sticker. It's just like I'm like bro why are you being like aggressive?
So did you shoot with this person still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great filming fish. Very viral episode.
Everyone's gonna go searching for things.
You can never know what we did before and small talk was well.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a bunch of like links of the episodes he's referred to for different things, but I won't tell you what we're linking for what.
Oh no!
Watch those
why do you think I'm telling you?
I go watch those links and then guess in the comments. I love that. I've come up with a new game.
Oops.
Okay, last one. You asked for a fun rapid fire, but they became essay writers.
So many times. My sponsors have told me, boss ये rapid fire के लिए दिया था आपको पैसा, आप उधर ग्रंथ पढ़ के आते हो. And मैं भी उसमें equal parts अपराधी हूँ because मैं भी हूँ I'm really interested यार they're telling story. Then I'm like बताओ और फिर then they were like आपने चालू कहाँ से किया था? I said oh बेटे ये तो rapid fire था.
You know what's happened to me of late with a rapid fire type segment? I'm like okay we should play rapid fire. Great for vertical cut. And then in my head I'm like हम तो बातें कर रहे हैं, vertical cut होना था, बहुत edit करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, but like a lot of times we forget, we digress and we go into some other tangent altogether.
But that's also why we talk for a living, because like it comes easily and it flows.
Yes.
Yeah. And this episode has flowed by for me very, very, very easily. I have to say, I had 2 pages of just notes and things that I knew that I wanted to get into, and I realized I didn't have to refer to it once.
Yeah.
And
so cool.
Yeah, I really enjoyed. Did you like being on the other side?
I love this side. I think I was telling my parents in the morning when I was coming here, say I'm going to do this, and they're like, "अच्छा किसका interview है?" मैंने बोला आनम का interview नहीं है, आनम मेरा interview लेंगी. So they're like, अरे अच्छा ठीक है, बढ़िया है, जाओ बता के आओ उसको फिर. And
अच्छा लगा ऐसे लेकिन?
यार बट इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम बोलते बोलते आता है कि मैं ये सब इतना ज्ञान दे रहा हूँ अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में, किसी को फर्क भी पड़ता है क्या?
पड़ता है,
हाँ.
पड़ता है.
और मैंने सैलरीज बता दी, अब लोग अप्रेजल मांगने आ जाएंगे क्या?
Good luck with that. HR emails coming
Yeah, no,
through.
yeah, no.
No, but you're very easy to talk to, and I can
Thanks,
see. I mean, I'm saying that as someone who knows you generally, but also because you carry that same energy on camera, and that doesn't always happen. I don't mean that in a way that to throw shade on anyone else. I just mean that from a point of view that it's very easy for people to become conscious when the lights are on and someone's saying action, and we're doing sound checks and things like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you retain that who you are, chill boy thing going for you as much here as you are on.
वही आदमी है मैं.
It's the best way to be.
No, I'll
So-
quote Chef Ranveer Brar here. He says he's able to do this for a very long time because he's this person only. Like we can be sitting and eating crepes and he will suddenly start telling you crepes आए कहाँ से?
I love that.
भाई वो आदमी है.
You know, I land up when someone asks why I'm like, when I have a similar thing for me with people, God, look at me plugging myself here. I start singing मैं ऐसी ही हूँ, मैं ऐसी ही हूँ.
I like how you change the lyrics.
Because मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ,
should.
तो I know मैं ऐसा ही हूँ.
Yeah,
So it's
yeah.
fine. But like it's a good way to be.
So you can only sustain being real on camera if you are actually, like if you can be long term on camera if you're being real. Otherwise
कितना
it's a
fake करो?
task.
कितना फेक करोगे?
बहुत मेहनत है.
Yeah.
और बहुत लोग करते हैं बहुत अच्छे से.
नहीं.
अरे एक सीईओ है बहुत दिग्गज, बहुत यंग.
Shit, I should have kept Vana after this episode just to sit with him and do gup. I'm realizing my scheduling for the day is going to go for a toss.
Bro, that one CEO is called out by another CEO saying ये जो है ना, ये सद्भाव, ये ऐसा है नहीं, ये एक फार्स है. And the world will be shattered if they knew this was, because they're like, ये तो कितने गऊ आदमी है यार, बढ़िया आदमी है.
Need gup sesh.
Huge. I have to have a granth.
Love.
I am our Bolly Blood and Gossip, I can say. I'm
Oh,
not. I'm not even kidding. Like, I can fill that whole page up. Like,
That is the only page I might occasionally click on if someone sends me a link. I don't open R anything when people send me things, but when they send that, I will click on it.
yeah,
Guilty.
but like, the only way to sustain is if you can be real.
Yeah.
And I cannot thank my stars enough for having been a child artist or having done direction, because I was not putting you in like too many clothes when I was filming with you. It was a sports bra. And other your co-actors in it.
God, please give context. People are going to think, what the hell were we filming? We were doing an ad for a sports bra commercial together.
I
Please
was
give-
directing and she was being cast in it. And the thing was, we had women of all size,
Yeah.
looks and color, because we didn't differentiate. Wow, we were doing this 8-9 years ago. So ये सब ऐसा नहीं करती थी public. We were like pioneers, and like the thing about the bra was that it was able to
उसका
hold your.
कमर्शियल नहीं देना है. हम तुम्हारी बात कर रहे थे. अब ब्रा का
Correct.
कमर्शियल
देखना मैं
नहीं
ऐसा
देना.
आदमी है ना, मैं ऐसा like for me it was कि मैं एक आदमी कैसे डायरेक्ट कर सकता हूँ, मेरे पास तो है नहीं. फिर the thing was कि वो योगा के टाइम पे आपको बहुत फ्री छोड़ देते हैं, और जब आपका
मैंने डांस किया
इंटेंस
था.
वर्कआउट करना होता है तो आपको वो टाइट पकड़
मैंने
लेते हैं.
डांस किया था. Yeah, I
And
remember.
it was so much fun because all of you women taught me how to be a feminist. All of you all play these small parts because, let's be honest, we limited the crew. सारे मर्द कम हो गए थे, सिर्फ लड़की DPs थी, और मैं अकेला या एक और मर्द होगा उस रूम में. It was a huge studio on ID Bus Terrace. Everybody knows that terrace, who's been there. So, and we had body positive influencers who didn't call them body positive. They were just influencers.
Yeah.
And we had Kushas of the world also, and we had you, Anams of the world also. That's always how I've said it. And we had a huge yogini. So it was super fun, yeah.
Now, credit to you for everything you've done. And I feel like I'm excited to see where you're going to be, like, inshallah, 10 years from now.
I don't know. Please suggest what should I do? Public speaking, writing a book, make my own movie or series. All three are in the works in my head.
Writing a book. But I, you know, one part of me wants to ask where you see yourself 10 years from now. But I feel like because I know you, and because even the way this conversation has been, because you're the kind of person who says yes to so many things, you also probably don't know exactly what you say yes to and where you'll be 10 years from now.
Yeah, I don't
And
know.
I mean that in the best way,
Thanks,
of
love.
course.
Thank you
Because
so much.
like you're a true hustler, and you're someone who takes chances and it pays off. So if there's one takeaway you're going to have from this episode, it should be to say yes and take chances.
I'm trying to grow my brand, The Storyteller India. So
Please plug.
go follow me on Instagram. Please comment if you want to see long form video. I've already shot a vlog, but I've never uploaded.
Yay!
Yeah.
Must. Why not upload it?
Because somebody has to edit it. Now I sent it to my best friend. He said, I'll do it for free. He's not done it till now. Hi, Jonah.
Oh God, don't call people out like this. Bye.
I'm
Go
not calling him.
follow
मेरा
him.
best friend है ना, मैं उसको कर सकता है.
Go subscribe to him. This
Bye.
conversation.
This is Siddharth Alaman on The Real Deal. You follow, subscribe, content. बढ़िया आ रहा है इधर से. OG of blogging.
Thanks, Ed.
Yeah. You're giving me some gift you said. Where is he?
I love how he's reminding me for a verified plug.
Oh yeah, hi. I'm brand
खोल
first
भी
person
दो.
है भाई.
खोल भी दो वीडियो पे
Oh, we
कैमरा
can.
पे
भाई
खोल
हम
भी
देसी
दो.
लोग ऐसा सब नहीं करते ना.
नहीं
Gift हम
नहीं
लोग खोलते
कर
हुए
लो.
नहीं.
I don't mind. He's
Oh,
just
yeah.
smelling the box. Did you
Yaar,
just smell the box?
I'm so weird. When I buy a book, I will smell the book.
Book I understand,
Yeah.
but डब्बे को
क्योंकि वो इतनी गहरी स्मेल हुई जो बाहर तक सूंघने में आएगी तो क्या बुरा है. Okay. Sexy packaging. Focus.
wow, love.
Fresh. It's got the wood also and musk also.
Yes.
But I'll wait for 10 seconds now.
You can get all the notes on the box if you're a perfume geek like I am. I have like.
I am, but I will first let my nose do the bit. Na?
Okay,
I'm
good.
very good on olfactory. You have musk, you have wood, you have some form of, what is this? Where is the smokiness or some form of smokiness coming from? Very nice. I will let it sit. And for me, the truest essence of a perfume is a middle. Like, not when it's going to die, because a lot of people are thinking कि भाई पूरा दिन रहेगा, आपको refresh करना ही पड़ता है हर 4 घंटे में.
But you'll be surprised, ये Bombay में, humidity में, गर्मी में, it's one of the most long-lasting fragrances. My husband compares with the other ones he wears also.
Yeah.
And he loves
Yeah, I can smell the chocolate, caramel, whatever foodie thing you've done.
it. There's a
Smells a little like
spice
bakery.
you're gonna
Yeah.
get, hopefully.
Very nice. Base notes is patchouli, floral, woody. See? Puff.
You have a good nose.
Thanks, girl. I read it, yeah. Bye.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. We've had a lot of fun filming. Subscribe before you go.
The Real Deal.